Shall I tell you about the event of the Kisa, the event of the prophet's Kisa? He went to the house of his daughter Fatima, and he asked for the Yemeni Kisa. She covered him with the Yemeni Kisa. His face shone like the full moon. Soon after, some others came to join him. Do you want to know who? Then came Hassan and greeted his mother. Salamun alayki ya umma. I can smell the nice smell of my grandfather. So he joined him under the kisa. Then came Hussein and greeted his mother. Salamun alayki ya umma. I can smell the nice smell of my grandfather. So he joined him under the kisa. Then came Ali, Amirul Mu'mineen. Salamun alayki, of Jannah you are queen. I can smell the nice smell of my cousin brother. So he also entered the kisa. Then Fatima went real close to the kisa. Salamun alaykum, O father, do you give me permission to now enter? Yes, she too went under the kisa. When all five gathered under the kisa, Jibreel spoke up and said, O Allah, who are these luminous personalities lying under the kisa? He said they were the family of Fatima, her husband's sons and her father. They are the ones who are perfectly purified. They are the Ahlul Kisa, the Ahlul Bayt al-Tahira. They are the Ahlul Kisa, the Ahlul